Welcome to Bhumi Real Estate YouTube channel. Please contact for sale, purchase and development of the land. For more videos of farmland, farmhouse, agriculture lands, please do subscribe and press a bell button. Hello friends, welcome to Bhumi Real Estate. Please call 9538696909. This is a 6-acre land. 6 acre plus 1 acre land means 6 acre is patta land and 1 acre is karab land. It's a totally 7 acre land. In this land totally 15 areca nut trees are there. It's a 85 kilometers from Bangalore city. It's a fully red soil, you can see in the video, and here 25 coconut trees are there. The yield is there in the coconut trees, and some of two chiku plants are there, and one guest house is there, that is belongs to owner. Electricity has already done, and here presently 4 working borewells are there. It's a 85 kilometers from Bangalore city. It's a very close to Bangalore city, and it's a tar road attached property. The guest house is looks good. It's a borewell, you can see in the video. The enough water is there in the all 4 borewells. Please do subscribe to my channel and press a bell button and select all options. 80 kilometers from Jayanagar, 4th block. The color of the soil is red. The land is fully cleaned and ready to purchase land. The papers are 100% clear. It's a ready to register property. There is no litigations and there is no problems in this land. You can register within 1 week. It's a fully legalized 100% land. It's a semi-developed farmhouse. The totally 4 borewells are there. In this land all basic amenities are there. Just 3 kilometers from NH 948, I mean National Highway. From Halgur to this land just 6 kilometers. It's almost tar road approached land. You can see in the video. In this land one labor house is there. 25 coconut trees, 15 areca nuts trees, 2 chiku plants is there. One guest house is there in this land. Bangalore city 85 kilometers, Banashankari 75 kilometers, Nice Road Talgatpura Junction 70 kilometers, Jayanagar 80 kilometers is there. It's the color of the soil is red. 4 working borewells are there in this land. The very good water source is available in this land with 2.5 inches water in all 4 borewells. The total extent of this land is 7 acres. In this 7 acres, 6 acres is patta land, 1 acre is karab land, and it means it totally 7 acre lands. The landlord is quoting 34 lakhs per acre. It's a negotiable price. The landlord is quoting 34 lakhs per acre. It's a negotiable price. The land looks so nice and so beautiful. The Bescom electricity has already done. No need to worry about the Bescom electricity. In this land, 1 acre karab land is there, 6 acre patta land, totally 7 acre land. It's just 85 kilometers from Bangalore city. The color of the soil is red. The red color soil is good to do agriculture. In this land totally four working borewells are there. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press a bell button. While pressing a bell button, please select all option, because if I upload any videos you will get a notification like message. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press a bell button and select all. It's a 100% legal property and purely general property. There is no SC/ST transaction in this land. It's a purely general property, 100% legal property. It's a ready to register agriculture land. In all four working bore wells, the enough water is there. The good water source is there in this land, means very good groundwater is there. Please do subscribe. Don't forget, please do subscribe. Thank you, and thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press a bell button for more other farmland, farmhouse, agriculture lands in reasonable rates with information, with photos and videos. Thank you for watching Boomi Real Estate YouTube channel.